Your website is more than just a digital presence, it's the heartbeat of your brand. Did you know that 88% of online consumers are less likely to return to a site after a bad experience? Without proper maintenance, your site could become a liability. Slow load times, broken links, and security risks can all damage your brand and cost you customers. As a business owner, you have enough to worry about. That's where we come in. Our expert web maintenance services keep your site fast, secure, and up to date, ensuring a flawless user experience. According to Google, a 1-second delay in page load time can reduce conversions by 7%. We handle everything from regular updates and security checks to performance optimization so your website stays in peak condition, helping you retain customers and boost your bottom line. Ready to protect your digital investment? Engage with us today and experience the peace of mind that comes with professional website maintenance. Don't let your website fall behind. Join the countless businesses who trust us to keep their websites running smoothly. Click below to schedule your free website audit and take the first step toward a better online experience.